I could enter almost any market right now, markets with tens of directs of competitors, and still beat them. And I could do it without lowering my prices. And no, this isn't your classic YouTube video on some magical ad strategy that triples your sales overnight. What I'm about to show you is something almost no one pays attention to. A hidden advantage that quietly decides which brands win and which ones shut down after a few months. I'm so confident in this because I've done this more than 7 times with my own brands. And 5 out of those 7 times, we closed the very first year at over $1 million in sales. And after this video, you're going to understand exactly what I did, how to apply it yourself, and how to beat competitors in your space, even if their pricing is cheaper than yours. So let's talk about it. The hidden advantage I'm talking about is your offer. Because when 2 businesses sell the same product, the one with a better offer always wins. The problem is, most people don't actually know what an offer is. Most business owners think an offer means a discount and a bundle, free shipping, or things around that. That's not an offer. That's just being desperate to close a sale and competing on price. And even if these used to work a few years back, every single online business uses these and people can see it. And their effect is very minimal. A real offer answers one simple question every customer has in their mind. How confident do I feel ordering this? And let me make this very practical. Take hair oil as an example. Almost every single brand selling hair oil is selling the same thing. Same bottle, same claims, same positioning. Maybe yours have a slightly more aesthetic branding, but you're still the same. And some people think adding one extra ingredient is how they'll win. Well, it's not. To the customer, you're still all the same. And now you're compared on price, reviews, branding, which is a race you never want to run because someone will always be cheaper than you. So how do you take this exact same hair oil bottle and turn it into something completely different? How do you eliminate competition and remove hesitation before the customer buys? You need to stop selling hair oil and start building an offer around it. Here's how I do it for this specific example. I wouldn't sell hair oil. I'd frame it as a 30-day hair growth system. Same bottle, but completely different perception. Now the customer instantly has clarity. They know how long it takes, what result to expect, and what the journey looks like. That alone already puts you ahead of most brands. The next step is removing uncertainty, but not with random bonuses, with support. Because at this point, the customer isn't really asking, does this work? They're asking, how do I use it? So you guide them. You add a simple guide. It can be an ebook, a PDF, whatever it is. Like, for example, a 30-day hair growth guide that shows them when to apply it, how much to use, and what to avoid. Then you hit them with another bonus, a progress tracker, so they can actually see changes instead of guessing. Now the customer doesn't feel like they're experimenting or trying their luck. They feel guided, and guided customers usually buy. So right now, we have a system instead of a product, and we added bonuses for higher perceived value. Now the next part is where most brands hesitate: guarantees. I want you to think about how many times you were unsure about buying something. Then you saw a guarantee and felt relieved and went through with the purchase. And I know what some of you are thinking. Yeah, but guarantee creates risk for the business. They don't. They create certainty for the customer and signal confidence in your brand. But the way you frame the guarantee matters. Most brands say something useless like a 7-day return if unused. That doesn't reduce fear. What actually works is an outcome-based guarantee. Something like, use the full system. If you don't see improvement, we'll refund you, no questions asked. That's what customers want to hear. And if you were able to create a really nice experience for the customer, gave them the bonuses, the support, even if some of them didn't see the exact results they wanted, there's a high chance they wouldn't even ask for a refund. Now again, let's take a look at what you have. You're no longer selling a product. You're selling a system with guidance and with protection. The customer is already almost there. The final piece is urgency and scarcity. And again, most brands mess this up. Fake timers, fake stock counters, fake pressure, the same ones you find on each website. People don't care. Urgency should answer one question: why should I buy now? Real urgency looks like bonuses expiring tonight, limited access to the full system, or limited batches. Things that actually make sense. And now we close the final gap with price anchoring. You're not selling hair oil anymore, so you shouldn't be compared to the other hair oils. You anchor value. The oil, the guide, the tracker, all stacked together, and then you present the price. Now, the price no longer feels expensive. It feels like a steal. Oil for $25, guide for $19, tracker for $9. So total is $53. But today, it's for $29.99. Put this next to a competitor selling a $25 bottle of hair oil, and suddenly the comparison isn't fair anymore. They're selling a bottle, you're selling a transformation through a system without any risk. If you apply this, you'll be confident to enter any market without fearing competition. Now you see why I'm confident entering any market. I don't compete on price. I don't rely on ads to save bad positioning. I compete on value propositions. And when customers feel confident, they'll get the result and price becomes secondary. If this changed the way you think about selling and competing, just make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I will be breaking down real business strategies like this every single week. And if you still didn't launch your business and want a complete step-by-step practical roadmap, just make sure to check out the Start Your Business training video that's popping on your screen right now, and I'll see you right there.